Hi there makers, I'm Gavin here at Minerva. I hope you're having a super week. I'm here today to introduce you to the latest Minerva sewing kits we've got for you this month. Now, this month we're taking a look at two of our favourite Stylarc dress patterns. And these are both fantastic designs for summer that have got a whole range of different views that you can choose from. So first up, we have the Stylarc Hope dress. Now this is a slip-on dress with a high waistline, deep raglan sleeves. It is a super option to just slip on and go, and this month both of our kits come with extension packs. So what this means is Stylarc bring a whole range of different combinations that you can apply to the main pattern. So for the Hope dress you get different bodices and different sleeve options to give you even more versatility with the pattern. The second pattern that we're looking at this month is the Trinnie woven dress. Now this is a more fitted, very elegant summer dress from Stylarc with a waistband, some gentle fitting to the bodice and lots of options in its extension pack. With this one you get multiple bodice views, sleeve views and a whole array of different skirt options as well. Now both of these patterns come in UK sizes 4 to 30 and that's split across 3 different size ranges. So you have 4 to 16, 10 to 22 and 18 to 30. So you can choose whichever size range is going to work best for you from the drop down menus on site. Now, our Minerva sewing kits bring you absolutely everything you need to make any view of the garment. So in addition to the pattern itself, you also get fabric, you get all the coordinating notions that you might need, right down to coordinating thread and needles that will work perfectly with your fabric. This makes our kits a super option for beginners. They're great for anyone who just wants to make sure that they've got everything they need to make a project right from the off. Another unusual thing about our kits is that they are completely customizable. So that means that if you want to add some more fabric, swap out some elements, maybe you already have the pattern, you can pick and choose which elements of the kit that you buy. So let's take a little bit of a closer look at the patterns we've got for you this month. So the first of the patterns that we've got for you in this month's kits is the Stylarc Hope dress. Now this is one of our most popular slip-on dresses as it's so easy to sew, it's easy to wear and it's fantastic for something that you can just slip on and go throughout the summer season. Now the Hope dress is a high-waisted style with deep raglan sleeves that end in an elasticated cuff. The sleeve length is bracelet sleeve length, so it sits just above your wrist. And there is a loop and back opening at the back, and there are 2 skirt length options in the original pattern as well. With the Hope dress extension pack, you get a whole range of different options, and this allows you to really customize the look of your kit, the look of your dress, and get a whole range of different views throughout the summer. So in terms of the bodice options, there is a lovely option of a drawstring neckline cord. You've got a wrap over bodice front. You've got the option of a button front kind of half shirt waister style like we've got on our sample here. And then also you have 3 different sleeve options to choose from too. So there's a 3/4 length very full sleeve with elastic gathering. You've got an elbow length full sleeve that ends in a cuff, and you've also got an elbow length double tucked sleeve with a kind of draped look to it. Gives you a whole range of different options and we think you're going to love them. Now the Hope dress is perfect for light to medium weight woven fabrics. So it's perfect for anything with a little bit of drape to it as well. So you'll get great results with those big drapey sleeves and all that gathering. So something like a lightweight cotton lawn, linen fabrics will work well. Viscose Challis is a perfect choice. And you could also go for a crepe fabric. Now, one of the unusual things about the Hope dress as a woven dress is that you can also pair it with lightweight knit fabrics too. So you have a whole range of different options that you can choose from. So let's take a look at what you get inside your Stylarc Hope dress kits this month. So of course, you get a copy of the pattern itself and also a copy of the extension pack. Now when choosing your kit, make sure you use the drop-down menus on the Minerva website to choose the correct size range for both patterns that's going to work well for you. Now we've paired up all our Hope dress kits with fabric from our EcoVero Viscose Challis range. Now this is a 120 GSM fabric, which puts it in our lightweight to medium weight category. This is a super drapey fabric. It's really good for all those gathered elements of the Hope dress. It's going to be cool and breathable for you during those summer months as well. And we've got some lovely designs for you, all from our print on demand range for you to choose from too. In addition to the fabric, you also get elastic for the sleeves, snap fasteners for the cross bodice front version. You get buttons for the button front version. You get some lightweight interfacing for the parts that need a little bit of extra support, coordinating thread to go with your fabric, and we've paired it up with our size 70 sharps fine needles, which get you good results with our EcoVero Viscose Challis. So for the fabrics for your Hope dress, we've picked out 4 really lovely prints that we think you'll love from our EcoVero Viscose Challis range. First up of these is our Teardrop Terrace design. Now this has been one of our most popular prints across a lot of our base cloths. It is quite unusual, but it's got a real earthy charm to it. So this is on a white base and it has these terraces of lovely detailed houses across it. And interspersed with that, there are splashes of watercolour ink designs in there. So you get little blues, terracottas, in amongst the earthy colours of those buildings. We think this is just a lovely design. It's a bit unusual and works really nicely too. So this has been sewn up for us by Prairie Girl Knits and it looks fantastic. Now if you are an animal print lover, we're not leaving you out this month. Our second option is this gorgeous design and it's called Mottled Margay, and it is an animal print on an olive green background with black, clay and beige elements interspersed in there. We think this is a little bit more of a sophisticated animal print and something that will suit so many different people. It's so gorgeous and sewn up for us here by Izzy Butcher. For our fourth option, we've picked out this beautiful design which is called Artistic Arcs. Now this is a lovely abstract design on an indigo background with purple, cyan, orange and grey sweeps across it. There's also little speckles of paint splatters throughout the design, giving it a real beautiful artistic feel to it. This one has been sewn up for us by Vintage Joe Sew and Sew, and it is a delight. Now, I am a big fan of tigers in prints, and I think this particular print is particularly lovely. So this one is called Tranquil Tigers and has been sewn up for us by Kichi Bee Style. Now this is on a mauve violet background with these strong violet flowers, green botanicals, and these delicate illustrations of tigers throughout it. I think this is such a lovely summer design, but something that will see you through to other seasons too. And last but not least, we have this beautiful design, and this one is called Paisley Palominos. This one has been sewn up for us by Lauren BG, and she has gone for this design with its lovely navy blue background and pictures of dancing horses throughout. In between those horses, you have these block print mosaic images of paisley designs and little botanic garlands running through it as well. There's really a lot of interest in this pattern, and it's one of those which you'll keep looking at and seeing new little details in. And of course, who doesn't love a navy blue print? They go with virtually everything. The second dress pattern that we have for you this month is the Stylarc Triny dress. Now, if you prefer something that is a little more fitted, then this might be the perfect option for you. The Trinnie dress is fitted with gathers at the underbust. It has a waistband and a long A-line skirt. There are two versions you have in the original pattern. The first of these has an elongated shoulder, which you can accentuate with soft shoulder pads. And it has an 11-panel gored skirt to it with a hemband and it hits about ankle length. And the second version has a simple round neckline and short sleeves. Now, like the Hope dress, the Trinnie dress comes with an extension pack, which means you get a whole range of additional options to work with this style. So with the Trinnie dress, what you get is 2 different bodices, 3 different skirts, and 2 sleeve options too. So there's a whole array of different options you can mix and match with. Like the Hope dress, the Trinnie dress is perfect for light to medium weight woven fabrics. So perfect examples include cotton lawn, Viscose challis, crepe. You could even go for a silk fabric. So let's take a look at what you get inside your Trinnie dress kits. Of course, you get a full copy of the paper pattern. And in addition to that, you get the extension pack with all those additional options. Now again, with both of these, make sure you select the correct size range from you for the drop-down menus on the product listings at Minerva, just to make sure that you're picking out the right one for both options. In addition to those, you also get some of our EcoVero Viscose challis, and we've picked out another 5 beautiful designs for you to choose from there. You also get some lightweight interfacing. You also get some light shoulder pads if you want to accentuate that shoulder line on those views. You also get coordinating thread to go with your fabric and a coordinating invisible zip for the back of your dress as well. And again, we've matched the fabric up with our Sharps fine size 70 needles that'll get you best results with our Viscose challis. So let's take a look at the fabrics that we've got for you for the Trinnie dress. Now, first up of these is this beautiful design, and this one is called Coastal Sands, and this particular colourway is called Marine. Now, you'll see this there. This has been sewn up for us by Heather Elyse Handmade. This is such a nice design if you're someone who's maybe a little bit intimidated by prints or want a print that is a little bit more smaller scale, a bit softer, a bit easier to style. This could be your perfect option. It's this lovely blue teal background, and it's got this scattering of little pebbles across it in a range of different colours. There's whites, yellows, greens, cyan, purples, indigo, but it's all quite subtle and it just makes for an elevated plain. If you're more of a floral fan, then you might like this option, and this particular one is called Spellbound Blooms. This is a floral print on a navy background, and across the print is this lovely array, a lovely field of small purple, pink and violet flowers. This is a lovely small scale design which will work with the details of all the different versions of the dress and could be a lovely option through summer, even into the autumn months. Now this third option is a little bit darker, a little bit richer. This one is called Tropical Twilight. And this particular print has a black base to it and then has palm leaves and botanic elements in a whole rainbow of different colours across it. So you've got pinks, blues, violets, greens. It's a real array of different colours, but all muted down in that black background to create something that looks really beautiful. I think this could be a lovely option for evenings, walking down the beach, or summer parties. So many options. For our fourth option, we've got this lovely design, and this one is called Mental Arithmetic. This is very much an abstract design, and it's got a modern art feel to it. On that soft blush pink background, you have squares, circles, semicircles, rectangles, in a whole array of lovely tones that match really nicely with the blush pink. So you've got cyans, you've got blues, there's pinks. It's an unusual fabric, but the smallish scale on it will work with all the different details of the Trinnie dress and create something quite unusual. Now, if you're not afraid of a bold print, then you might like our fifth option. This particular design is called Iris Illusion and is a bold print with floral motifs across a butter yellow background. All the floral elements are in black and bold yellow, so you've got a small range of colours there to work with, but for a really kind of high impact design. And this one was sewn up for us by Mad Sewing Scientist. Now, every one of our Minerva sewing kits comes with a full free sew along, so you will have that step-by-step guide to work you through every step of the process and how to make up each one of our garments. This month, Diane has worked through the Hope dress and the Trinnie dress for you, so you'll find both of those videos on Minerva and also on our YouTube playlist. Now, all our Minerva sewing kits are fully customizable, which means that you can pick and choose exactly which elements you want and adjust those as you need for whatever purpose you require. For example, if you maybe want a little bit of extra fabric, maybe to make something coordinated, or because you know you want to extend the length, you can easily do that from the amounts before adding it to your basket, or even after you've added it in there. You also have that option to mix and match elements out. If you already have the pattern, for example, you could remove that from the kit. If you want to use a different thread, different needles, you've got that option too. Plus, all of the fabrics that we've used this month are from our print on demand range here at Minerva. So all of the designs that we have on our EcoVero Viscose Challis fabric are also available across a whole host of other different options. So if you wanted to swap out, say, our Viscose Challis for maybe our cotton lawn, you can remove the fabric from your list, search for, say, Teardrop Terrace cotton lawn, and then add the same amount to your shopping list, and then you've customized the kit. You can sew it in the fabric that you like. We offer worldwide shipping here at Minerva, so no matter where you are in the world, you can get one of our kits sent direct out to you. And don't forget, with the Minerva Craft Club, you can save 10% off absolutely everything you spend for 12 months, including any of our kits. If you're interested in any of these fabrics and would like to see them in person before you actually make a purchase, we offer a sample service across all our fabrics. So if you go to a fabric page, you'll see an add sample option. Just click on that and you can get a sample delivered direct to you. Now, if you're interested, today I am wearing the Wardrobe by Me Jensen shirt, and this has been sewn up in our Minerva Exclusive cotton poplin. This particular design is called Prehistoric Palms in the Jurassic colourway and is a fab print of dinosaurs with a very subtle palm leaf motif going on in the background. Now, let us know what you think of these patterns. Are you a Trinnie fan? Are you a Hope fan? Maybe you've sewn up these patterns before. Why don't you drop us a little message, let us know what you think of them, which is your favourite. What do you think of the fabrics we've chosen for you this month? Do you have a favourite of those? Maybe you'd like to sew up something else in one of those fabrics. Why not let us know? And don't forget that you can share your makes for free at Minerva. We love to see everything that you've made. So whether you've sewn up one of our kits before, whether you've sewn one of these patterns, or you've just sewn something that you just love to share, it's free to register and you can connect with makers worldwide right here at Minerva. So thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure to share our latest kits with you. I'll be back very soon with some more inspiration for you. In the meantime, I hope you have a lovely day, a lovely week, and I'll see you soon.